Yeah, dude. I mean, that's the best part is like being able to celebrate it. This is crazy. We've completely taken over Hollywood Boulevard, and it's just nice to be here with like the cast and be together all again. So yeah, I'm very excited to be here. Yeah, I mean, I think what like when we first came to London, almost years ago when we first met. I remember not really understanding they hadn't really started filming yet, but I knew that Rob had a strong vision, and I knew that I like trusted something in him that could really do it. And I think that in a huge way he pulled that off. And I think that Hallie everyone is so good in this movie. So yeah, hats off to him. Oh, I loved Scuttle. Scuttle was one of my favorites, dude. Yeah, ever. And yeah, this is a rare dream role for me, for sure. Yeah, man, I'm excited for them to discover. First of all, all the new music that was written that I think are really good, and then also, I hope that they discover like the love and the kind of like the passion for the story as we all did when we grew up watching it. I hope that it does that in a different way, and I have that's still there, and I just appreciate all the hard work that everyone put in.